Hey guys, welcome back to our complete web development course. In this video, we'll learn about HTML attributes. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss any video from Crash 4. So without any further intro, let's get started. What are HTML attributes? HTML attributes are the combination of alphabets that provide us extra information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Now suppose we have an HTML element. Now if we want to provide the extra information about that HTML element, likewise we want to change the color of the text, so we will use style attribute. Similarly, if we want to convert this text in a link, so we will use href attribute. So this is what we can do with HTML attributes. To understand it more clearly, let's move on to my laptop screen and open the VS Code. Okay, so here we have an HTML element, which is this is a heading, and if we run this code, you will simply see this is heading. This is heading. Now if we want to change the look of this text, so what we want to do is to suppose we want to change the text color of this heading of this text. So what we want to do is to use the style attribute, style, type equal to, and inside that now we have to use we want to change the color of this text. So what type the color property, and after that colon. Now type the color which we want to use, like I want to set the green color. After type semicolon. Now if we run this code, you can see that the color of this text is changed from black to green. Similarly, if we want to change the background color of this text, now after this we had to simply type background color. Now after this we have to simply type background color property. Background color. Now if you want to set the background color as red, so type red, hit enter. Now if you run this code, you can see that the background color of this text is changed from the white to red. So we will learn more about this style attribute in the in-depth way in our HTML tutorial. For now, I had to only clear your doubts about what this attribute can do. It's a short example of HTML attributes, what they can do. Now if we want, now similarly we have an href attribute which converts the text in a link. So we will learn more about these attributes in the upcoming videos. For now, you have to only remember that HTML attributes provide the extra information about the HTML element. Likewise we do it here. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like it. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.